Welcome back to Queen Coast TV, everyone. If you're new here, hello. My name is T, and if you're one of my regulars, welcome back, y'all. Well, it is February, and it is time for our February base box from BoxyCharm. I'm kind of excited to see what we got. See if we got any little stuff that make us feel pretty, since it's supposed to be the month of love and all that stuff. And I want to see if they featured any Black-owned cosmetic companies, since it is Black History Month. So I'm excited to check and see. And we'll get into it right now. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I am in no way affiliated with BoxyCharm. I just love sharing what I get in my boxes, and that's it. Mostly you'll hear me rambling about the prices of everything because I ain't gonna lie, I'm cheap. So this makes me feel like I'm balling, when technically I'm really not, because the boxes give you a lot. So base box is now $27.99 a month, and the premium box is now $36.99 a month, and the luxe box is still $49.99 a month. Each box, as far as the base box go, you get about 4 to 5 full-sized products, and that's what we're doing today, the base box. And here she is. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's see what the theme is. Be my Glamentine. Okay, well, that's the thing. Like I said, the month of love. Let's take a look at our first item. Saturday Skin. I love them. So we have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, and this retails for $32. So this is what it looks like. It's super tiny, but I always have to remind myself that our eyes ain't but so big, so you really don't need much. But this is it right here. Saturday Skin. Going to go ahead and give this an open. Oh, it opened easy. I appreciate that. Didn't have to struggle. Why does it already feel like it's open? This thing was loose. But it's super tiny. There it is. This is what the top looks like. Ooh. Okay, so this is the inside. You know, it always has a little top or something to keep it from spilling. And that's what this is a thick cream. Hold on, let me put this down. This is a very thick cream. Look at that. Oh dear. Maybe it's still hard because I just got it in the mail, but yeah, you can barely see it. Of course, it's just a cream. It could be kind of like firmed up because of the coolness in the air, but that's the eye cream. I just started using eye cream. Don't really see much of a difference. Which one was I using? I got it from a previous box, but I'm excited to try this one. So up next on the list we have Stila Huge Extreme. Oh my gosh. Huge Extreme Matte. Y'all, let's bring it back. Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Whew. Good. What was that? Okay, so this is it. Y'all gonna have to forgive me. I don't know what that was. This is what the box looks like. And let's open it up. I've already have my face done, so I won't be trying it on, but I can't wait to try it on just to see, like, if it does what it says it's going to do. But it's, good God, it is huge. They weren't lying about that. It is absolutely huge. So let's see. That's what the head looks like. All right. So I can't wait to actually try that out. I used to be nothing but a mascara girl because I was too scared to try eye looks, and now I'm into the eye looks now and actually into lashes. They were right, the lashes, it brings it all together. And I don't see myself going back, and I hate putting mascara on like lashes or with it because it just seems too clumpy to me. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but yeah, I will use it though. So up next, oh, that retailed for $23, the Stila. Okay. So up next we have something called Riddle Oil, original roll-on oil. This retails for $50. So this is supposed to be a roll-on oil that works with the chemistry of your natural scent to bring you a beautiful natural scent when it's combined. So I'm actually excited to see what that smells like. Hopefully it brings a beautiful scent. I've never heard of anything like this, but this is what it looks like. There we go. It says original, and you just pop it open. Has your little basic roller ball there. Okay. And you just roll it. Boop. You just roll it. That's it. Oh. That is nice. Oh, y'all. That smells very nice. This is $50. Super tiny, but because all that smells wonderful. And I'm not even sure it has anything to do with my natural scent. But I like it. Oh, I like that. This is something really cute to like keep in your purse. So yeah, this is super adorbs. And it smells really nice. I really like it. So I'm actually excited about that. So I found one thing that I'm actually excited about. Well, kind of two, because I do want to try acronym. So moving on, next up we have something called Alleyoop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. And this retails for $28. Ooh-wee, a 4-in-1 makeup brush. Okay, let's take a gander at this. I need to see how this works. This is what the box looks like. It's pretty big. So let's see what we got. It's vegan, latex free, and cruelty free. Goodness gracious. Ooh. Okay. As y'all can see, this is my first time opening said product. Oh wow, so I don't do full face, but this, I'm assuming this is a face brush, y'all. Okay, this is a face brush, and this looks like a beauty blender here. Okay, and if you look here, you can unscrew this. Okay, and this is in, looks like a shader, and you know what, I don't even know what that's for. I guess for your eyebrows. That's what I'm going to assume. This doesn't want to focus, so there we go. that tip right here, this side. All right. That looks like a shader, so it's definitely a 4-in-1 for those of you who do the, the full beat. You got your face, you got your blending, you got your eyebrow. Okay, got your brows. And I'm going to assume, I told y'all I don't know nothing about makeup. I just be winging it. I'm going to assume this is for your shadows and things. So that is quite interesting. So yeah, like that's a lot going on. That's just too big to handle. So next up, we have Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. You guys know I love a good liquid liner, and you know my favorite liners are from AP Young Beauty. So let's see what we got here. So far, nothing has really beat them except for that one pencil. But again, it wasn't a liquid liner, so yeah. And the pencil didn't really beat them. It beat every other eye pencil. So let's see. This is a felt tip. So this is the doohickey. Okay. So let's see what we got. Pop it off. And boop. Right there. Okay. So let's take a look. Ooh, very smooth. Very, very smooth. I like it. Let's see how fast it dries. Let's see. I wiped it and it dried pretty quick. I'm impressed. And you guys, that was the end. That was everything. So we got mascara, we got liner, we got eye cream, we got that lovely oil. Yeah, I guess for Valentine's Day or any other date night that you guys go on, or just going out with your friends, you'll be good to go. You got your thing to beat your face. You got it all in this box, okay? All except for the makeup, which you usually get in every other box. So there you go, guys. That's it. That is all. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go back and look at the rest of my channel if you missed any other boxes or just want to check out other items to see what you may want to try. Do subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that jazz. And I really appreciate you all. I hope you all have a fantastic Y'all, I don't know what's going on with my words. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your February. Woo! That took a lot. And it's probably because I haven't eaten either. Oh, Lord. Yeah. I will see you guys in March. And I do believe March is a Luxe box. Yes, it is. March is a Luxe box. So I'm very excited to get my March Luxe. Spring is coming. So I wonder if they're going to give us like new colorful palettes or I don't know. I'm just excited because spring is one of my favorite times of the year. And yeah, so I will see you guys then. And stay safe, stay healthy and happy. And I will see you guys in March. Bye.